Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Winklink, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the Winklink latest update, big news video. But my friends, before starting this video, I request to everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. Now my friends, you know what, let me show you the big news about WZirX. The big news is that it very badly, my friends, WZirX start falls. Just in the last hour, the WZirX price change is negative 2.86% decrease. In the last 24 hours, change is negative 8.36% decrease. So you know what, my friends, I know that previous time after WZirX from the last 7 days there was the Winklink coin start pumping. Sorry, I'm talking about the Winklink. The Winklink start pumping, but you can see here, my friends, that unfortunately that's the bad news for everybody. But I'm sorry, that's reality now, my friends. Unfortunately, from the yesterday the Winklink start falls, but that's I also know about that is a temporary falls. So don't worry about this falls, my friends. Don't be disappointed, just hold it, never decide to sell. Hope you get a huge amount of profit if you hold for a long time. And Winklink is also good coin for investment, my friends. You can see, my friends, a very complicated changes occur from the last 1 week in a Winklink. But you can see, my friends, gradually, not a quick jump occur in the Winklink, my friends, but gradually the price of the Winklink is increasing. So that's why I recommend for everybody to invest now in a Winklink. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.